We have discussed sets and the corresponding set methods, but what is a frozen set? Well, remember I said that sets are mutable, meaning they can be modified by adding or removing an element, as we've seen earlier. Frozen sets are nothing more than immutable sets. The elements of a frozen set remain the same after creation. Due to this feature, frozen sets can be used as elements of another set or as a key in a dictionary. And don't worry if you don't know what a Python dictionary is yet, we will discuss dictionaries pretty soon in the course. To prove the immutability of frozen sets, let's create one and see what we are allowed to do with it and what is forbidden. Let's consider lists 1 and 2. This is list 1 and this is list 2. Now let's create our frozen sets by passing these lists to the frozen set function. So let's say fs1 equals frozen set of list 1 and fs2 equals frozen set of list 2. Finally, let's check if we have indeed created two frozen sets. So let's check fs1. Okay, and fs2. Also, let's check type of fs1, and it is of class frozen set. Okay, so we have frozen sets confirmed. Now let's try to add or remove an element from fs1, for instance. Let's say fs1.add of 10, and we get an attribute error, frozen set object has no attribute add. Okay, maybe we can remove an element. So let's say fs1.remove of element 1. Again, we have an attribute error telling us that the frozen set object has no attribute remove. What about fs1.pop? Nope, bad luck again. What about maybe fs1.clear? And again, we receive the same error. If we check fs1 again, you can see that no modifications have been applied on this frozen set. Of course, operations like difference, intersection, and union are still available since they're not attempting to modify the content or structure of frozen sets. So let's check this real quick. Let's say fs1.intersection with fs2, and indeed we have 3 and 4 being the common elements of these two frozen sets. Next, let's try fs1.difference from fs2, and indeed elements 1 and 2 are not part of frozen set 2, which is correct. And finally fs1.union with fs2, and we get a frozen set containing all the elements of both frozen set 1 and frozen set 2. That's about it regarding sets and frozen sets, two data types that will definitely come in handy someday.